So, you're thinking about leasing a Tesla, huh? That's a smart move. Sleek, futuristic, and environmentally friendly, what's not to love? But here's the million-dollar question. Can you actually buy out your Tesla lease when it's over? This is a topic that's got a lot of people scratching their heads, so let's dive in. Now, you might be thinking, why would I lease a car if I can't buy it later? Well, leasing offers some sweet perks. Lower monthly payments, always driving the latest model, and minimal upfront costs are just a few. But the dream of owning that shiny Tesla at the end of the lease? That's where things get a bit complicated. Historically, Tesla has been pretty tight-lipped about lease buyouts. They've had this on-again, off-again relationship with the idea. For a while there, it seemed like a golden ticket: lease it, love it, then buy it. But then, like a plot twist in a sci-fi movie, Tesla decided to hit the pause button on lease buyouts. Why? Well, there are a few theories floating around. Some say it's all about supply and demand. With Tesla's skyrocketing popularity, they might want to keep those leased cars coming back to sell as used vehicles. Others believe it's a strategic move to push customers towards new car purchases, boosting sales and revenue. But don't lose hope just yet. While Tesla might have put a damper on lease buyouts for newer models, there's a chance older lease agreements might still include a buyout option. So, if you're nearing the end of your Tesla lease, it's crucial to dig deep into that contract. You might find a golden nugget buried in the fine print. Now, let's talk about your options if your lease doesn't have a buyout clause. You can always return the car and walk away, no strings attached. Or, if you're still smitten with the Tesla life, you can extend your lease for a bit. And of course, there's always the option to upgrade to a newer model. But what if you're determined to own that Tesla? Well, there might be a workaround. Some people have found success in selling their leased Tesla to third-party dealerships or individual buyers. But this route comes with its own set of challenges and risks. You'll need to navigate the complexities of early lease termination fees and potential legal implications. So, what's the verdict? Can you buy out your Tesla lease? The short answer is, it depends. It depends on the year of your lease, the specific terms of your contract, and a bit of luck. But don't let this discourage you from enjoying your Tesla experience. Leasing can still be a fantastic option, offering flexibility and financial benefits. And who knows, maybe Tesla will change its tune again in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.